Blacked out 4x4, welcome back to another one. We're heading outside, but first, the cold start. It's not bad. It would be nice if it was louder, but not bad. Alright, so I just wanted to wait till I got outside so it's a little brighter behind, but we got a huge box behind me. We're up to something no good. So we're heading to Rami'z garage in Pickering. My boys set us up today. It's freezing cold outside and we've actually tried working in the cold and it's not nice. We're gonna take you along for this cool adventure. Let's get going. Finally made it to Rami'z garage over here. This is the box, and as you can see, my kids had a fantastic time coloring on top of it. Take a look at this, guys. Wow. What a difference. Take a look at this, guys. This is gonna black out the truck to a whole new level. Can't wait to get this on. So the reason that I actually got some help today is that we are on a time crunch. I love working on my own truck, but just because of the interest of time, and it's a super big job. You guys are about to see what is all involved. I thought I'll call some professionals as well to give me a hand to get this one done today. So let's get this one rolling. All right, here we go. All right, so the first thing that we got to do is release all the clips from the grill. Okay, so once all the clips are removed, this cover literally just comes off, just like that. There you go, look at that. Now we got full exposure to the inside. So what we're doing next is we're gonna get the guys to unscrew these two right over here. This will release a part of the fender piece over here, which is then gonna release a trim that sits just above the bumper. And this whole piece has to then come off. So right over here, the next step is that we're gonna release this part right over here, the trim that sits right above the bumper, and this is all to access the headlights. So there's a lot of work involved. All right, guys, so once you release that, this comes off, and yep, next step is the front grille. All right, so we just released these clips over here, and these clips actually connect to shutters. So this grille has shutters inside here. A little hard to see because it's dark, but these shutters actually control the air that goes into the engine bay. So if it's really cold outside, then these shutters close. When it's warm, it opens up. So you're not getting a lot of cold air into the cabin and all that stuff. Pretty cool, huh? There you go, guys. Look at that. The most exciting part is to release this headlight now. There's two bolts at the top. There's two bolts at the bottom. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, there's one bolt right over here on the side. Okay. So a total of 3. Okay, and she is off, ladies and gentlemen. This little piece right over here comes off the original headlight. It's like a bracket, and it'll go on to the new one. So there's a bit that has to be used. We'll explain exactly what size it is to remove this from here and put it on to the new one. So we'll need a T25 bit. It's better to hand screw these in because we are dealing with plastic and the headlights itself, so you don't want to crack anything. So just nice, easy, and gentle. These headlights come with all the hardware that you need. So we got adapters here, plug and play, and then we also got a relay wire that's going to go into your fuse box right over here. We're going to get all of these connected as well, and we'll show you everything that has to be done. The moment I've been waiting for, and I'm sure you guys and everyone here in the shop, we're going to turn on these headlights and I'm going to show you a comparison between the left and the right. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Damn. Okay, so we have both the headlights on. Now for the test. Looks sick. And that's it. All right, guys, so I want to thank you very, very much. Literally hand the mic over to you guys so you can let the viewers know a little bit about you guys and what you do and how they can get in touch with you if they're in the Greater Toronto area.
Thank you very much, Fayaz. We had an awesome time working on the Black Pearl.
Thank you.
So just a little bit about the repair company.
Yeah.
There's two sections. We have TRC Auto and TRC Tech. TRC Auto is a mobile mechanic service where we come and fix your car on your driveway while you sit in the comfort of your home. TRC Tech is where we repair electronics like computers, laptops, and tablets and phones at our office on 50 Cathedral High in Markham. Okay. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also check out our website at therepaircompany.ca.
We were pressed for time. You guys were clean, professional, and I love the job. I love what you guys have done to the truck. I'm going to have their details below as well as these headlights. I want to thank Vland for sending these headlights over. As soon as I put the taillights on, Vland contacted me and said that we would love for you to try out the headlights. So thank you, Vland, for supplying these awesome headlights. I love them. Details are going to be below to where you can find these headlights. And finally, I'm going to remind you that there's a subscribe button that's going to appear down here. It's a little animated icon. You know where the real button is. Please smash it, tap it, whatever you can to show your support. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. But wait, there's going to be an awesome sick B-roll that's going to come up just now.